today's video, we are going to create two 3D ribbon brushes which are perfect for adding designs on your artwork. If you are a complete beginner in Procreate, don't worry, you can still create these brushes. I will show you the step-by-step process on how to create this. So let's begin. Open the Procreate app and create a square canvas. If you are not sure of your dimensions, the size attributes of my canvas is shown on the screen. So let's begin. Tap the layer menu icon. On the background color layer, let's double tap on the area near the color black so that Procreate will automatically select black. Now let's activate the selection by tapping the S icon here. Select the rectangle option by tapping on it. Now let's drag our Apple Pencil on the canvas and it will select a rectangular area. Just leave the pencil when you are satisfied with the size of your rectangle. For the color of our brush, tap this circle here and double tap on the area near the color white to let Procreate automatically select it. Now for our brush, tap the brush icon and under calligraphy, select the chalk brush. Then let's write into our current selection. Once you are satisfied with it, tap the arrow icon so that we can move the shape. Make sure that your snapping is turned on and use it to make sure that your rectangle is in the center. Once that is done, tap the arrow icon to disable the Move and Selection tool. Let's go on our layer menu and tap on the thumbnail of our current layer and let's select Copy. Now tap on the brush icon and tap the plus icon here to create a new brush. Then tap on the shape option. Then on the shape source, let's edit it. Tap on import, then paste, and then tap done. On the stroke path menu, I like to adjust my spacing to 0 and my streamline to maximum. For the taper option, I won't be adjusting any of its attributes. And on the shape option again, I like to adjust the count to maybe around 8. Also, make use of the drawing pad to check if your brush is working as it should be. Next option is the grain. To change the grain source, tap this edit option, then import, then select the source library. For this brush, I want to try the dirty paper source grain. Just tap on it to select, then tap done. Now to achieve the 3D effect, on the rendering option, select the uniform glaze rendering mode. You can also change the size range of your brush by adjusting the minimum and maximum size in the properties option. To fully personalize your brush, you can add your name in the About section of the brush. You can also change the name of the brush. I will be naming this one as my vertical ribbon thick brush. Here is a demo of the brush. To achieve the 3D effect of the ribbon brush, just vary the pressure that you are applying to your Apple Pencil. As you can see here, if we use the brush when creating a ribbon in the horizontal direction, it looks a little weird. So for the next part, I will show you how to create the horizontal ribbon brush. On the layer menu, let's duplicate the layer of our shape source. You can duplicate it by swiping it to the left and then select duplicate. You can tap on the checkbox to hide or unhide a layer. So let's just unhide this duplicate. Now let's tap the arrow icon and then rotate our shape to 90 degrees. You can use the option here which is rotate 45 degrees and just tap that twice. Then tap the arrow icon to disable the move option. On our current layer, tap on its thumbnail then select copy from the options. Now tap on our brush library and let's duplicate the vertical ribbon brush by swiping it to the left then tapping duplicate. Tap on the duplicate and let's change the shape source. And of course, don't forget to change the name of the brush to Horizontal Ribbon Thick Brush. Now here is the demo. If you were able to create the brush and make artworks using it, please make sure to tag me so I can see your beautiful artworks. And if you want, I can also share it to my social media. I hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Until next time, bye!